Introducing the new compact phone from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 14. It's not just a refresh of the previous model. It comes with plenty of upgrades, including a better display, improved cameras, a powerful chipset, and fast charging. So let's find out about Xiaomi 14 in our full review. Starting with the design, I've got the Jade Green color variant. The rounded corners and subtle roundness of the edges make it comfortable to hold. The metal frame, Gorilla Glass Victus on the front, and 3D curved glass on the back with a mirror finish contribute to its premium feel. The weight of the phone is 193 grams, and the Xiaomi 14 has an IP68 rating, ensuring protection against dust and water. However, the mirror finish does attract fingerprints. The main color options are black, white, or jade green. The black variant features a matte finish, while both the white and jade green options have a mirror-like finish. Overall, the phone boasts a very nice design, and undoubtedly feels super premium in the hands. Looking at the ports at the bottom, there is a dual 5 grams SIM tray, indicating no microSD expansion. The bottom also houses a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a loudspeaker. On the right, you'll find the volume rocker and power button. On top, we have nothing. Xiaomi 14 also has an IR blaster hidden in camera module. The Xiaomi 14 features a 6.36-inch 120Hz OLED display, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It supports 12-bit color depth, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. The LTPO technology enables an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz based on energy needs. The display's brightness reaches a maximum of 500 nits manually, and can boost up to nearly 1,100 nits in auto mode, and the ability to achieve 3,000 nits of peak brightness in HDR content, ensuring a brilliant and adaptive visual experience. For biometrics, there's an under-display fingerprint reader. Xiaomi 14 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is a 4nm octa-core clocked at 3.3 GHz, combined with Adreno 750 graphics. The Xiaomi 14 does a great job in benchmarks, sitting near the top of the charts, as well as offering better ray tracing for games. For RAM and storage, you have 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and a choice between 256 or 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 storage. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The cameras are engineered with Leica, resulting in amazing results. On the back, there are 3 50-megapixel sensors, a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. They can record videos up to a maximum of 8K at 24 FPS. On the front, in the center, there is a 32-megapixel selfie camera, which is also capable of recording 4K videos. The battery has a capacity of 4,610 mAh and supports 90-watt fast charging. The charger is included in the box. The battery will easily last you a day with heavy usage, and the charging speeds are quite impressive. In my test, it took 41 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. This is the Xiaomi 14, highlighting its pros and cons. Impressive design, stunning AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, long-lasting battery with 90W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. The cameras deliver exceptional performance. USB-C display out support is a standout feature. With Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, IP68 certification, and TÜV Rheinland certifications, it's feature-packed. The only downside is the back's mirror finish attracting fingerprints. Overall, a stellar compact flagship with top-notch tech. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please consider supporting Tech Review by hitting that subscribe button and giving the video a thumbs up. Your engagement fuels our passion for bringing you the latest in tech. Stay tuned for more reviews, unboxings, and tech explorations. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Tech Review, and let's continue our tech journey together. Thanks for watching.